Happy New Year, everyone. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Domina Mara, full-time mistress, visual artist, femdom filmmaker, sexy product reviewer, YouTube creator, and now I am proud to present that I am also a chastity connoisseur. We are going to start the year with a bang by locking up my boys with my new Dragon Queen collection in collaboration with Oxy Shop. Last year, I previously did a collaboration with them on 2 different types of cages and 1 gold plug. I'll put the link to that video at the end of this video and in the description below. This time, I wanted to tailor my ideal chastity experience along with my luxurious sense of style, and what better way to do that than to put together my very own set. In addition to the goodies, you also get a complimentary clip of me seducing you with how I would use each item after purchase. As a reminder, if you use my link and the code MARA, M-A-R-A, you get a nice discount off your entire purchase. Okay, let's take a look at my collection. First off, can we just take a moment to appreciate the packaging? The outside is very discreet and plain, perfect for keeping vague. And then upon opening, the contents are revealed with a masked figure, obscure gender identity, but you know the items will be kinky. Do you want to feel like you are being locked by the Matron of Dragons? I would begin by locking my boys up with the 24 karat gold dragon chastity device, which has an option for an anti-slip ring that will keep the cage in place. If I'm feeling generous, there is also a smooth ring option that I can use without any teeth. This unique design imitates scales of a dragon, ribbing under the belly, as well as tapered fangs at the end. Instead of breathing fire, my boy can be released from the top of the porous opening, or I can have him spew hot spunk through the mouth of the cage. It comes with its own set of lock and keys, and you just put it through like so and lock it shut. The Gold Wing Glans Ring is an adjustable piece of jewelry that has an arrow on the top to simulate a dragon's tail, connected to a spanning wing on the bottom. It wraps around the head of the male organ to stimulate that sensitive area and makes him want to fly away with his fantasies of me. Imagine how many times that ring pulls on him every time I tease him. It's like an endless edging. The Golden Claw plug is not for the faint of heart. It is made out of medical grade stainless steel and has a ribbing design for all levels of urethral sounding experience. The Golden Claw is a beautifully decorative element that can be used to push the plug slowly into place. The bigger ring is bendable and gives a nice utilitarian feel with a slip of a finger to pull the device out at any direction. Be creative and add rope through the rings at your whim. It's also a very nice magic wand. And finally, we have Kali's teeth, which, like any dragon, has 2 rows of sharp screws that can be adjusted to any girth, depending on how much restraint I want the spikes to bite around the package. The device comes with a small flathead screwdriver, as well as its own padlock and keys. To adjust, you just fit the screwdriver in and give it a turn to remove or tighten. When you close said teeth around the package, you can insert the padlock and snap close like so. If you really want to intensify the experience even more, include the 24 karat locking plug to your cart, as they have taken my review feedback and improved the design since my last video. Enjoy this luxury set that I have personally curated, inspired by timeless medieval torture, suitable for any mistress and or goddess and her lucky pets, or your very own fantasy-themed solo play. My link for this collection, as well as the general store, can be found in the description below. Don't forget to use my code MARA for that discount. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it so that others can learn about my deluxe Chastity collection and purchase it for their pleasure. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to turn on notifications so that you know when I have new videos coming out. I post every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time and live stream Sunday evenings. That is all I have for you today. Be safe, have fun, and keep it kinky, everyone.